how to write it. Let me read it out quickly and then we do the practical bit. So it is written with a single stroke, okay, and it begins from the right with a slight curve. It begins from the right with a slight curve, downward horizontal stroke, so like this, okay, followed by a vertical, that's the vertical part, vertical extension, and ending and an upward slightly curved horizontal stroke, giving, okay, the slightly curved horizontal stroke giving canoe-like shape. It has one dot underneath and it rests on the line. So let me do practically now. Okay, let me do practically. That's okay. If it's written like this, so you start from here like this. That's it. That's if it's written on its own. If it's written in the beginning, it is written like this. Remember, it rests on the line, okay, the imaginary line we explained in the previous session. So if it's in the beginning, we write it like this. Okay. This means that we can connect other letters with it. If you connect it, if you write it in the middle, it looks like this. Okay, by here. And if it is at the end, we write it like this. Okay. So if we see another one, we actually can connect these ones together. For example, if you connect these two and these two parts, so now you can see the back can be written in the beginning, can be written in the middle, and at the end. So you can see this example, and that's why it's called connecting letter, because it can be written from both sides with other letters.